What's up? My name's Matt. I am a ZKart user, and I want to show you how cool this tool is. So I've just been using it recently, and I want to just kind of walk you through, show you how to build a product in it, and show you how easy it is. So what I love about it is it's got a funnel builder built in. So like if I go to my funnels, first things first, I could just like create a test funnel. So I'm just going to say test funnel. In here, let's say like e-commerce, whatever, hit next. And I can go in here and say tester ZKart, and then put down here tester 1, Matt tester 1. There we go. And hit next. And so now I've built this funnel. I can create like the whole funnel. It's not just like other, it's not just a shopping cart tool. It's like a funnel builder and a checkout cart tool all in one. But I can go and I can start from scratch. I can pick a template. So I'm just going to choose like a basic page template, and then I'm going to connect product to it. You're going to see the funnel building part in high speed here. Now I'm showing the video at high speed, but I'm basically building a product right here. And now I can pick my pricing, and this is pretty cool. So let's say I want to say this class is $99 for people. I'm not going to limit the amount of people that can join my class. I'm going to hit save, but let's say I want to offer another option, a split pay option for people that, they don't have the 99 bucks right now. So I'm going to say $33 times 3 payments. Okay. Shows $33 will be charged today, and then 33 bucks a month for the next 2 months. Done. Save. Easy peasy. So I'm doing a fast clip speed here as I build the order bump. And then I hit save and next again. Now, if I want to hook up my affiliates to be able to resell this, I can. And then once I click next, look at this. It gives me, this is so cool. It gives me embeddable buttons, like if I'm using WordPress or some other third-party site where I'm not going to actually put it in my funnel, I can copy this code and just put it on there and have one of these gorgeous buttons, the split pay pricing or the one pay pricing. I can just copy these good-looking buttons, but I'm not done yet, and I'm not going to do that. I'm going to just hit next. Now check out all of these cool templates. Like there are so many to choose from. I'm going to choose this bottom right one. I'm a big fan of simplicity, so I'm going to choose that. And then in here, you can add custom fields that you want to get, like to customize the form. So I'm just running through this fast so you don't have to watch me just talk as I type. Boom. Now my product is done. Okay, it's called teaching stuff. Now let's say I am going to put it in my funnel that I quickly threw up a one-page funnel. Now when I go in there, I'm going to go into this page, and I'm going to click on Edit Page. And what this is going to do is now it's going to let me put a Buy Now button in. So this is pretty awesome. So here's this picture. I'm going to replace this lady with me because obviously I gotta put myself in there. I'm just hitting fast forward on this image adding part. Awesome. And now I'm going to go over here to where it says Buy Now button. So I'm going to click in this box, and then I go Buy Now button. And oops, click on it. Boom, there it is. Now with this button, I can do a lot of cool stuff under this. I can customize how it looks and say, get my course. Notice it's already got the latest product selected, teaching stuff. I'm going to choose the payment methods I want, Stripe and PayPal. I'm going to choose those here. And then now let's say I want to make my button look good. Now let me show you guys what this funnel looks like. So I'm going to hit finish over here, and we're going to get the URL to the funnel. And this is how easy it is. Boom, here's my page, got my funnel, I click get my course, and look where it takes me, right to my checkout cart. Boom. That's how easy this is. I love ZKart. It has made my life so much easier now by having everything, the funnel building, the checkout cart, all in one platform. It's pretty awesome. So just wanted to share that with everybody, and I hope you guys love it as much as I do.